Okay, I got a really quick fix here. I've got a spindle. Um, it's a pine spindle, and for some reason it cracked. Maybe furniture bumped into it. Rather than drive around to different hardware stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, or a lumberyard looking for this exact spindle, I've got a quick fix for you. Let's get busy. I've got 2-part epoxy. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. When we're done with that, clamp it, let it dry, and then we'll touch it up with some either drywall compound or Bondo maybe, and then we'll paint it. Okay. Find the best seam, match it up. And that's it. We'll come back and it'll be dry. Remove the clamp, and then we'll sand it down and touch up some of the seams that don't match up. Okay, we're back, and we're going to check and see if the epoxy is holding up. Remove the clamp, shake it around a little bit, about the same as any other spindle on here. So what we want to do is prepare this for paint, and rough up the surface, make sure it's smooth. And then, just to make sure that the transitions are good, we're going to take a little dab of drywall compound and just liberally fill in, overfill actually, the little cracks. Okay, we're going to let that dry and move on to another project. Hey guys, I'm back. We have did a 2-part epoxy repair on the spindle, and we have touched up the seam with drywall compound, and we're just going to sand it off and then paint it.